Sergio here from Pyrodrone. Today I'm going to show you how to unfold and fold back the Gemfan mini gate. It does sound funny, but we did receive multiple requests, as I can see it being a little bit confusing. So unfolding is pretty straightforward. You just let it go and it unfolds itself. Pretty windy day today. And folding it back is, so you just fold it this way and then fold it once like a book, and then you hold two opposite corners and give it a twist. I don't know how it folds, but it folds perfect. It's kind of weird. Let's try it again. Unfold. There it is. Fold it once, fold it twice, hold both corners and give it a twist. And now it's gonna fit in its original bag. No problem.